Mobility is reshaping modern India. And, increasingly, electric vehicles are becoming its lifeblood. Quiet, efficient, sustainable. At SEG Automotive, we are the motor powering this transformation. As a global technology leader, we combine Indian ingenuity with German engineering standards, driving the electric vehicle revolution from right here in Hosur.
This high-voltage platform with cutting-edge technology built with customer in mind, which is smart, scalable, and sustainable for the journey of electrification.
At SEG Automotive, we firmly believe that innovation must take care of the global issues and challenges. Our very innovative smart solutions are a result of common purpose, perseverance, and passion.